Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome. Thank you so very much for joining me for the Joy of Blue collab. We do this each month on the 12th of the month. Thank you so very much to everyone who's participating in this collab. We have people on YouTube and also on Instagram. Be sure to look in the description below and say hi to everybody and look at their great projects. It's not all blue lovers. Some people just accepted the challenge of using a color that they're less comfortable with. Not like me. Everything can be blue in my craft room. I want to show you two things that I made. They're completely unrelated and I had fun with both of them. For Smash Our Stash, we were using sequins and I didn't do any shakers, but I watched and I was really inspired by all the shakers. I don't like the acetate shakers. Not that I don't like how they look. I usually get grumpy putting them together, but I do like the ones with tulle where you just sew it together. They make me a lot less crabby. And I like fun shapes. So what I thought I would do was create a star-shaped one, stitch it together, and then put it in my July daily, which Mr. Crafting and Relaxing pointed out is never going to close. And I'm okay with that. So I just made it. I haven't chosen a page for it yet, but I thought it would be fabulous somewhere in here. And when I sewed it together, I made sure that I left the strings off the bottom, and I have some metallic ones. I'd like to tell you it was planning, but it was purely coincidence. I put some silver sequins in there, and one of the threads I stitched with is silver. So I like how it turned out. When I was stitching, I did catch the point in the sewing machine. So when I glue that onto the page, I'll be really careful to glue that point down. If you're going to stitch unusual shapes, be careful when you spin them. Don't get all rowdy. So that was my shaker star, which I'm super excited about. It makes a wonderful sound, and I didn't get too carried away filling it because then they don't shake. The other thing I have here is a journal cover. I haven't decided for sure if the inside is going to be super blue, but there's a good chance that it is. And what I did was I took an envelope, just a basic 9x12 envelope, and I collaged on it with napkins that I've gotten in Happy Mail with blue ones. This one I absolutely love. Pam sent this to me, I think. On camera, you're not going to be able to tell how many layers. It almost probably looks like one big or maybe two napkins, but I have birds torn out of different napkins and put on here so that I have a whole bunch of birds on the cover of my journal. And then on the back side, I put a big blue butterfly, some more butterflies, and some birds here. And I've been setting aside bits of ephemera, and I'm thinking about dyeing some paper and using different blues. I don't know exactly where it's going to take me yet, but I love the cover. It makes me happy. And that is the point of this collab, to make blue things that bring you joy. They don't have to be a certain category or a certain type. They can be anything that you want. So take a look at the other participants in this collab. You're going to see a variety of projects, from paper to jewelry to quilting. You might see cards. You never know what you're going to see. Every month is a surprise. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you're taking time for crafting and relaxing. Bye-bye.